Hello guys, from today onwards I'm starting maths for 8th class and 7th class also. From today onwards I will explain all sums from 8th and 7th class textbooks. Present I don't have textbook right now, so I will explain some sums what can I remember. So first this sum is there in 8th class textbook. So 0.729 bar. Here the bar is there only for 2 and 9. So let's start. So first let x is equals to 0.729 bar. Next x is equals to 0.729, 29, 29 and so on. This is the first equation. Yes. And next multiply both sides with 1000. We have to multiply it with 1000 because there was 3 numbers after the point. So remove the point, we will get 4 digits here. So we have to multiply it with 1000. First 1000x is equals to you have to divide it. So 729.292929 and so on. This is second equation. And next we have to multiply it with 10 also. 10x is equals to 7.292929. Here we take only one digit because it was 10. So next multiply second equation. Next one we have to subtract second equation and third equation is equals to. What is the second equation here? 1000x is equals to 729.292929 and so on. And next what is the third equation? 10x is equals to 7.292929 and so on. So we have to subtract it. So 0 0 0 0 9 minus 9 0 2 minus 2 0 point. How many we get? We get 2 2 2 7. So here 990 is the answer. 990x is equals to 722.722. That's it. 722. So here we have to write like this: 722 by 990 is equals to, we have to divide it. 722 divided by 2, 990 divided by 2. We will get the answer right now. So let's do the division here. $722 and here 2. 7 is not there in 2 table. So let's take 8. Let's take 6 here and here 1. So 3, 2, 6 are 12, 0 and here 2 again. 2 ones are 2, so 0. What's the answer here? 361. So let's write it by, let's make it here again. Let's do the sum. 2 990. So here 9 was not available in 2 table, so let's write 8 here. 4s are 8, and here 1 and 9. 19 is not there in 2 table, so let's write 18 here. 2 9s are 18, so here 1 again, we have 0, and here we have to write 5. 10 0. So what's the answer here? 495. So therefore x is equals to 361 by 495. Okay guys, did you understand this sum? Okay, this is enough for today. So let's explain another sum on next day. Okay guys, bye guys. Please subscribe my channel. So many members are not subscribing my channel, just seeing and going, that's it. Please subscribe my channel guys, and like the video if you like this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Turn on bell icon for notifications.